This how to 1 minute will show you how to check domain expiry date in cPanel. So basically from cPanel we won't be able to check our domain name expiry date. But here's a very quick process. If you follow, then you will be able to check your domain name expiry date. Open a new tab and type here domain name expiry checker and open this website where'smydns.net/domain expiration. Once you are here, paste your website URL or domain and click on search. And here you will get your domain name expiry date. So that's how we can do it. Also you can check your domain name age by clicking on age. And here you will get your domain name age. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.